Adverbs of time and frequency. Adverbs of time and frequency are the adverbs which tell us that when and how often an action is done. मतलब जो हमें बताते हैं कि एक काम कब किया गया था और कितने वक्त से किया गया था या कितने वक्त से किया जाता है. Such adverbs usually come at the end of a clause or sentence. So ऐसे adverbs होते हैं वो sentence के end में use किए जाते हैं. They also come at the beginning though less frequently. और sentence के शुरू में भी use हो सकते हैं लेकिन ऐसा कम होता है. Examples: They will be here soon. यहाँ पे अब देखिए sentence के end में आ रहा है. He has been there twice. Over here similarly it is also being used at the end. Soon the child grew bored. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास सेंटेंस के शुरू में आ रहा है. Then he decided to leave. In the beginning again. अब आप यहाँ पे एक बात नोटिस करें तो we are having adverb of place and adverb of time and frequency. अब यहाँ पे जैसे हमने पहले पढ़ा था कि if we are having adverb of manner and adverb of place in a same sentence, then adverb of manner comes before the adverb of place. Similarly, if we are having adverb of time and frequency and adverb of place in a same sentence, then adverb of place will come before the adverb of time and frequency. अब यहाँ पे देखें they will be here soon. Now here is adverb of place and soon adverb of time. He has been there twice. There adverb of place and twice adverb of frequency. Adverbs of time and frequency may also be placed before the verb. अब adverb of time and frequency वो verb से पहले भी यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं. जो हमने एग्जाम्पल की थी soon the child grew bored, that can also be written like the child soon grew bored. He then decided to leave. Where the verb consists of an auxiliary. Now what is an auxiliary? जो हमारे helping verbs होते हैं is, am, are, has, have, was, were, उनको auxiliary बोला जाता है. So if where the verb consists of an auxiliary and a main verb, the adverb may be placed just before the main verb, coming between the auxiliary and the main verb. अब अगर हमारे पास auxiliary है और उसमें main verb है तो adverb of time or frequency will be placed between the auxiliary and the main verb. Like they will soon be here. अब यहाँ पे हमारा adverb of time जो है वो auxiliary के बीच में आ रहा है और be over here is acting as a main verb. He has twice been there. Same helping verb is before the adverb of frequency, then main verb. If the verb has more than one auxiliary, an adverb of frequency comes after the first auxiliary. अब अगर हमारे पास सेंटेंस में दो ऑक्सिलरीज यूज़ की जा रही हैं, जैसे हमारे पैसिव सेंटेंस होता है परफेक्ट टेंस का, इसमें देखिए हमारे पास दो ऑक्सिलरीज आ जाती हैं और उसमें हमारे पास मेन वर्ब भी होता है. एग्जाम्पल: ही हैज़ ऑफन बीन प्रेज्ड फॉर हिज विट. अब यहाँ पे हैज़ और बीन हमारे पास दो ऑक्सिलरीज हैं, तो हमने जब हमारे पास दो ऑक्सिलरीज आ जाती हैं तो adverb of frequency and time is used or comes right after the first auxiliary. अब यहाँ पे हमारी first auxiliary है has. So he has often been praised for his wit. He has sometimes been reprimanded for his behavior. He should never have been allowed to have his own way. अब यहाँ पे हमारे अब never is adverb of frequency, often is adverb of frequency and sometimes is adverb of it is also adverb of frequency. In certain cases, however, an adverb of frequency precedes the auxiliary. This is when the auxiliary is stressed, like he never can be on time. अब in certain cases an adverb of frequency precedes the auxiliary. अब कुछ cases में इस तरह से होता है कि auxiliary जो है वो adverb of frequency and time के बाद आ जाती है, और ऐसा तब होता है जब auxiliary के ऊपर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिया जा रहा होता है, तब ज़्यादा दबाव दिया जा रहा होता है उसके ऊपर. लाइक ही नेवर कैन बी ऑन टाइम. अब यहाँ पे ही नेवर कैन बी ऑन टाइम मतलब वो वक्त पे कभी भी नहीं आ सकता है. सो when the auxiliary is the only part of the verb used as in reduced statements like 3 and 4. Like, do you often eat out? Yes, I often do. She is told to wash her hands before eating, but she seldom does. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास auxiliary से पहले एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी और टाइम आ सकता है जब हम स्ट्रेस दे रहे हों ऑक्सिलरी पे, या फिर जब ऑक्सिलरी या फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब काम कर रहा होता है एज अ मेन वर्ब, तब हम एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी और एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम उससे पहले यूज़ करते हैं. An adverb of frequency usually follows the verb be even when it is not used as an auxiliary but as the main verb. With other verbs, the adverb precedes the verb. He is always willing to help others. He always helps others.